Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO A57s. Begin by accessing Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other device. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up, you can choose Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by tapping on OK. Over here, you need to choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive over here on OPPO. Then click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories. And when you're ready, hit Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files that you wish to send and do that later on. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on OPPO, scroll down, click on one of those options and choose Close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon. Then clicking on while using the app or only this time and pointing this OPPO's camera at the code. But we can always input this key over here as well and connect using Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!